This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making the environment ready. Enable replays in Fortnite and choose whether to use OBS or the game's replay capture. Once done, set your resolution to 1920x 1080 and 60 FPS so subtitles sync cleanly. Make sure your game audio and voice chat are routed to separate channels. This lets you isolate speech for accurate SRT timing. Start a short test replay now to confirm everything records. If you're on console, prepare capture software on your PC or use a capture card before proceeding. Once you have the MP4, extract the audio track using a lightweight tool or FFmpeg so you only process speech. Then run that audio through an ASR service or desktop speech-to-text app to produce a raw transcript. After that, generate precise timestamps, either via the ASR's timestamp output or by loading the video into an editor and scrubbing while noting start/end times with a 0.5-second buffer. Make sure you check speaker labels and non-speech sounds. They affect readability and timing in the SRT. Now format the transcript into SRT entries. Numeric index, start and end times, HH, SS, MSHH, SS, MS, then the subtitle text with no more than 2 lines each. Once created, load the SRT into your editor to verify sync and readability, or place the SRT alongside the MP4 with the same base name for automatic loading. If captions are early or late, shift the entire file by small increments, use plus or minus 0.5-second adjustments until dialogue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.